Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you a cool product called Flex Seal. This is how to use it to put a rubberized coating on anything that you need. Flex Seal is also pretty cool for stopping leaks. I've used it in automotive stuff, I've used it on car doors, I've used it on boots, things like, it's like a truck bed liner, but it's liquid rubber. Now, it comes in a couple different varieties. Now they've got all sorts of colors. You can get all sorts of different things like the Flex Shot, Flex Seal liquid, you can get Flex tape, you can get Flex everything now. When it first came out, it was just a can like this. This is what I've always used. It's a pretty cool can. It's just a spray top, like a regular can of spray paint, and when you spray it on, it literally comes out like rubber, not paint. So I'll show you that. You can kind of see right here. It's very goopy and a lot there. It's not just like paint, it's like actual rubber on there. You can kind of see the tip of this has more volume on it. It's starting to drip down. You can see it. It's very rubbery. So that is the spray. Again, you can get it in all different colors. I'll throw some links in the description below so you can grab that if you like. Very handy stuff. What I like though, even better than the spray, because it's just much easier to use, is this right here. This is liquid. It is literally like liquid rubber. Now, the disadvantage with this is it takes forever to dry. It takes a very long time to dry. You can check out in a card here, I've got another video on Plasti. I prefer Plasti for quick applications, like if this was a tool and you needed to coat it or something, use Plasti. But if you have a leak like on your roof and you need something, use Flex Seal. Flex Seal is probably going to last a little longer. It's going to be more durable. It's going to be a lot more solid. It's a much better, more durable product than Plasti. However, Plasti has a much easier use. So with Flex Seal, let's say I wanted to coat this in rubber. I just dip it right in. Now, go kind of slow, like maybe an inch every minute or something. I'm only going to go halfway, then I'll pull it out at the same rate. Not an inch every minute, but half inch every 30 seconds, whatever. Just dip it in at a slow rate. Don't dunk it in fast. Now the disadvantage with Flex Seal, as you see here, it's dripping off. I got a lot of runs. That is because Flex Seal is, like I said, it's a different product. It's not quite as thick and as instant as Plasti. The video that I did before, you'll see that it's pretty much instant dry, and then it has to set for like 4 hours. Whereas Flex Seal, let's see what the can says. This is going to be a lot longer and it drips, so you got to kind of watch what you're doing at all times, and you can't really leave it. You can see I keep rotating the dowel here because it continues to drip. So the directions here say allow 24 to 48 hours or more to dry, which is a long time. It says allow each coat to dry completely before adding more coats. So 24 to 48 hours. So that means if you dip something in, I gotta wait like a day or two before this dries. Now I'm not gonna hold this here for a day. You can see it's already dripping off right here. There it goes. I'm not gonna hold it here for a day. So Flex Seal, that's the disadvantage with that, is that it takes a long time to dry. However, it is a great product. So if you have like a leak and you could pour this on something and let it harden up, oh, it's excellent. It's like literally like solid rubber. I mean, it's flexible and bendable, but it's something I'd highly recommend. You can get it in the description below. Check out a future video I'm going to have on a comparison between Plasti and Flex Seal, and you'll see the differences coming up in a later video, so I encourage you to check that out. Thanks again.